Did you figure it out, Andres? Did you figure it out?
No, I got it. What's this?
The evil laugh. Pacho, shoot him! Pacho, shoot him! Pacho, shoot Andres! Don't shoot the camera, Andres, okay? Because it will break. Yeah. Shoot Andres! Okay, did you get a camera?
No, it's not here yet. It's not here yet.
Oh, who got your camera? Did you give him the camera?
I'm going to far away to you. That's it. Go far away.
Yes?
This will go far away.
Yeah, you can shoot a lot of water. Who's the good guy and who's the bad guy?
I'm the bad guy.
You're the bad guy? You're the good guy?
Yeah, I'm the bad guy.
What's your name?
My name when the bad man put Pinocchio in jail.
What's his name?
I don't know. I'm Superman.
You're Superman?
Yeah,
Awesome.
Superman too.
Well, you can't be both Superman.
I won't be both Superman.
How about you be Scorpion?
Scorpion? No, I want to be Electro. No, I'm going to pick a good one. I'm going to pick a good one, Spider-Man.
You're gonna, oh, okay, I like Spider-Man.
Can you open this, please?
Yeah, hang on.
It's so much.